Hi everyone, how to solve this math problem? Antiderivatives or integral of trigonometric function. Okay, so how to solve? So the antiderivatives of sine x dx is equivalent to negative cosine x. Antiderivatives or integral of cosine x is sine x. Integral of secant squared x with respect to x is tangent x. Integral of cosecant squared x with respect to x is negative cotangent. Integral of secant x tangent x is secant x, and integral of cosecant x cotangent x dx is negative cosecant x. Okay, so you're going to apply these rules in finding the integral of trigonometric function. Aside from that, you need to recall and apply the trigonometric identities. Not only these trigonometric identities, reciprocal, quotient, Pythagorean, and even the double angle, sum and difference of angles. All those identities you must know and apply in simplifying trigonometric function, because there are trigonometric functions that you need to simplify applying the identities so that you can apply the integral rules. So let's have examples. Number 1, what is the integral of 2 cosine x minus 3 secant x tangent x with respect to x? So let's apply the integral of sum and difference of function. So this will become integral of 2 cosine x dx minus integral of 3 secant x tangent x dx. And if we have a coefficient, we can write the coefficient before the integral symbol. This will become 2 integral of cosine x dx minus 3 integral of secant x tangent x. And what is the integral of cosine x? That is sine x minus integral of secant x tangent x. That is secant x plus c. So this is the answer for number 1. 2 sine x minus 3 secant x plus c. Number 2, what is the integral of 4 sine x dx? So if we have 4 as coefficient, we can write before the integral symbol. Then what is the integral of sine x dx? That is negative cosine x plus c. And what is the simplest form of this? 4 times negative cosine x, that is negative 4 cosine x plus c. And this is the answer for number 2. Next, number 3. What is the integral of 7 cosecant squared x plus 2 cosecant cotangent? So, let's apply first the integral of sum or difference of functions. So, we have integral of 7 cosecant squared x dx plus integral of 2 cosecant x cotangent x dx. Then, the coefficient can be right before the integral symbol. So we have 7 integral of cosecant squared x dx plus 2 integral of cosecant x cotangent x dx. And what is the integral of cosecant squared x dx? That is negative cotangent x plus 2 integral of cosecant x cotangent x is negative cosecant x plus c. Then simplify, so we have negative 7 cotangent x minus 2 cosecant x plus c. And this is the answer for number 3. For number 4, integral of cotangent squared x dx. So, as you can see here, there is no cotangent squared, integral of cotangent squared. And how are we going to solve the integral of cotangent squared x dx, we're going to apply the identities. The equivalent of cotangent squared x is cosecant squared x minus 1. So for number 4, we are going to substitute the cotangent squared by cosecant squared x minus 1 with respect to x. So we substitute cotangent squared by cosecant squared x minus 1. So that is the equivalent of cotangent squared. And we can now apply the integral rule. So we have the integral of cosecant squared x dx minus integral of dx. And what is the integral of cosecant squared? That is negative cotangent x. And integral of dx, that is x plus c. So this is the answer for number 4. So I hope you learned something. So there we have more example. Please watch our next videos about antiderivatives or integral of trigonometric function. See you on our next video. God bless to everyone.